Hey guys, what's going on? Jet Scott here, Scott Speech Up, and doing YouTube videos. Of course, you need camera equipment, audio equipment, so you can grow your channel and produce nicer content. And there's a company called Wish that you can get on your phone, and you can buy a lot of things real cheap. And I just want to, do a video about it. But before I got my actual GoPro Hero 7 Black, I was using these. Well, guys, from Wish, they were like 15 bucks a piece. Supposedly, they say they record 4K 30 FPS, but it's all lies. This thing records in 1440p. Well, maybe not even that. It films in a 4:3 aspect. Terrible audio quality on that one. This one records in 16:9, has good audio quality, but the video isn't as good. These are good little cameras, honestly, for, what you have them for. I use these for welding shots when I don't want to potentially hurt my actual GoPro. But on to what I bought here. This is the Xingyu microphone. I bought it on Wish for $29, $15 shipping. It is the condenser microphone bundle BM 800 mic kit with adjustable mic suspension, scissor arm, shock mount, double layer pop filter for studio recording and broadcasting. So yeah, that's what it is. And I got it in the black version. There you see what it looks like and what they're trying to tell you what you're buying. And I have only opened the box to make sure everything was in there, and let's see what we got here. So we got a pretty neat cardboard box, pretty thin. What do you expect, China? We have what appears to be some crap output. I've already learned from Wish all their statistics for the outputs and stuff is absolute bullcrap. The Chinese over in Wish, whoever makes this stuff, I think they grab the details off other products and they just throw them on there. I don't think they actually know what kind of frequency response this thing has. Now, of course, I'm no big audio buff, so I really don't know what I'm talking about, but I sure as hell know a nice microphone when I see it or when I hear it. So we got the, I'm guessing that's the pop filter. It's a big old screen thing. We will have to unbox that. We have a pretty nice cable here. I'm guessing this plugs into the bottom of the microphone, and this goes into an audio jack. It's actually a pretty nice cable, honestly. So far, so good. And that's when it starts to get a little cheesy. Excuse me. The camera will not pick up how cheesy and cheap and just absolute crappy this thing feels. I mean, this is like bargain bin, like Dollar Tree freaking crap here. That probably cost about $1 to make. Well, not even that. It probably cost 10 cents. All right, what do we got here? This is the shock mount, so that way it keeps the microphone from, jostling around too much. And we have our C-clamp, which, honestly, how can you fuck up a C-clamp? That's metal. That's good. We got a big old foam duty dotty. So, that's cool. Oh, we got another metal piece. I like it when there's metal, but it's real light. There we go. And the actual boom stand itself, the big scissor stand. So there's that. And the actual microphone itself, what you all came here to buy. And honestly, I'm surprised. This thing's actually pretty heavy. A lot of the cheap stuff you buy, you can kind of tell how cheesy it is just by how lightweight it is. But you can see inside that screen, it is one little recorder. And that thing, honestly, behind this screen, looks cheap as hell. See if you can see that. Yeah, I think we got a nice cover over some shitty parts. I'm just being radical on this because I don't know how good it's going to be, but we're going to go do some audio recording with this thing, and I'll show you it all set up, and hopefully it's a good product, because that'd be awesome to only spend, see, $45 total investment and get a badass microphone for your voiceover recording. So let's go see how good it is. This is the test of my computer's ambient microphone.
This is the test of the cheap Chinese microphone, naked. This is the test of the cheap Chinese microphone with the sock. This is the test of the cheap Chinese microphone with the sock and the screen. So as you can clearly see, there is not much difference when you start adding multiple screens to the microphone, but honestly, for the price of $45, including shipping, it is not a bad buy, quite honestly, because it does compete with my Alienware 14's ambient microphone. I kind of like it. It cuts out some of the static. I'm not sponsored by Wish, but I think this is a good product if you need a good microphone that is cheap. And just to further prove this is my Alienware 14's ambient microphone with no filters.
So yeah, guys, as you can clearly see, I just ran through, did my audio test. See, there's my different deals, and my Alienware 14 that is getting pretty outdated, quite honestly. But I have everything set up, and this is all kind of cheesy, and it's just temporary right now. But I tested it without the sock, which was just like that. I put the sock on, and then I did it with the pre-filter. I'm not really sure what all these fancy names are, but quite honestly, this thing didn't do much. This was pretty good right here. But you know what, quite honestly, for the money, I think it's a good buy. And if you're in need of a decent microphone because your computer's ambient microphone isn't that great, I think this is a good buy. Honestly, I tried it with this thing, and this, I thought maybe the microphone needed power or something. This thing is garbage. Take the jack, put it straight into your mic on your computer. That's all you need. And I noticed a huge difference in quality right there. So I'm not sponsored or paid by Wish to say this, but you know what? I thought I would do a video on it to see if this thing's any good. And in my opinion, I think it's worth the money. So thank you for watching. As always, guys, if you found this helpful, leave a like, drop a comment down in them comments, and maybe even subscribe if you're new to the channel. I hope you enjoyed it, and hope to see you guys in the next one as we get back to work on more car stuff. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.